In this video, I will show you how to buy Robux with Cash App. So guys, to buy the Robux with Cash App, first of all, you need to have the cash card. If you don't have a cash card yet, first of all, open the Cash App, then click the bank icon in the bottom left corner, and then when you scroll a little bit down, you will see the Cash App card. You need to click on this, and from this page, you can get the Cash App card for free. So just click this get your free card button, order the card, and after you will have the Cash App card, then you can open the roblox.com and log into your account. After that, you need to click on Robux in the top right corner. After that, you need to click on Robux balance in the top right corner and click on buy Robux. You can choose the amount you want to buy. For example, the minimum amount is 500 Robux. I will click on this, and then we need to choose the credit or debit card option right here. You need to click on this, and you need to enter your cash card information. So you need to enter the email address, then your cash card information, the card number, expiration date and CVV, the name on the card, and the country, of course. Then you need to agree to their terms and click on pay. That's how you can get Robux with your Cash App. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.